Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Tabitha Marie and I'm so happy you could tune in to today's video. If you read the title, then you can see we are going to do a short clean with me slash organize, I guess, straighten up my closet. And I'm just going to do my half of the closet because it's messy right now. I've been on a lazy streak and I'm finally going to go ahead and straighten things up. So let's go ahead. Most of the time when I wash clothes, I kind of throw the clothes that need to be hung up on top. So all I'm going to do is just start hanging up the clothes that are on the top of my closet first and work my way down. Just refolding, kind of reorganizing, tidying up. It's not horrible, but it's been like 2 weeks and I really have to get my stuff together. So I'm just going to go ahead and hang up items, pick up, put away. Alright, so as you can see, I'm working on the top. I put the pants or shirts or anything that I don't wear on a regular basis, I kind of like to fold those down. Like those are some jeans that I really don't wear that often, but they're still in my collection. A couple shirts. I keep all my sweaters and long sleeve tops that don't really hang up well on hangers. I like to fold them and put them on top. And then the far end corner is my sweetie pies little section, a little overflow that flows onto my side of the closet. But it's mostly like gym shorts and swimming trunks and a few pajama pants and stuff. So I'll probably just fold that down as well. And I'm just showing you guys, I do try to put things in my closet like by color. So each little section has a color, and then within each color section, I like to organize it from short sleeve or tank top to long sleeves or jacket blazers as well. So not perfect, but the system works for me. So I really try to keep all those colors together, and I try to keep all the same hangers on my side. I have like the plastic with metal bar on the top hangers, and on his side he has the traditional white, all white plastic hangers. I just think it makes your closet look better when you have like the same style hangers. And I try to keep it as clean as possible, but like I said, I kind of been on a lazy streak. It's been so hot. Sometimes I'll just take clothes off and let them hit the floor. Alright, so down here at the bottom are two bins where I keep like my purses or belts or any other handbags, wallets. And unfortunately, sometimes it just becomes a spot to put clothes. I know we all have a little section in our closet where we just dump clothes. So that's mine. I'm just trying to clean it off, hang everything back up, and then we're going to jump into cleaning off the shoe section in just a little bit. Okay, we finally finished hanging up all those clothes. Now I'm going to try to organize my shoe section. We have like floating racks here and a few shoe boxes as well. We each have a few shoe boxes. So we kind of divided the racks. I have the top three. He has the bottom two along with the whole floor of the closet underneath the rack. So I like to organize my shoes by color as well, and I kind of do like open toe, closed toe, slides and all that together. Now I'm gonna dig into this handbags because they are everywhere, honey, everywhere. So just kind of digging everything out that's on the tops of the containers. And again, this is where I store my handbags, wallets, accessories. So the first one, I try to keep all of my small handbags in and wallets as well. So I'm just kind of digging through, seeing what's all in there. And then I'm going to go ahead and take some of my small items like wallets, and there's so much stuff in there. Look at all these treasures. Some of the things I'm thinking about getting rid of. So I might do another video, shop my closet. Let me know in the comment section if you guys are interested in that. If not, I still will post them on eBay. So I'm just putting everything that's small and kind of flat that I know can stack easily on top of each other. I love that bag so much. And I like to wrap the straps so they don't get tangled up. So I have two. The second one is like for my larger handbags. And there are a few in here. Look, they're still hiding. Again, some pretty nice handbags. That one I know for sure I'm definitely going to get rid of. I'm probably going to sell that one as well. It's an In Clean. I've had it for like 5 or 6 years. This one I still haven't used. I bought it like this summer or last summer. Need to use it. A couple more wallets that I need to put into the other side. I might get rid of that one as well. But all kind of treasures. So I just want to show you guys. Oh, this bag, I got this for my sweet 16th birthday from my mom, and it is a knockoff. But you guys, I've had that handbag for what, 15 years, and it's still holding up. But anywho, we're almost done with this video. I'm just kind of cleaning it out, getting everything organized. Ooh, found a penny. I'm rich. Alright, so I was just going through these boxes to see if there was anything in there that I still wanted to keep. So I have just some sandals in those two boxes. Those are kind of cute. I think I wore those last summer to the pool and stuff. They're pretty dirty. So I may or may not keep those, but I just want to show you what was in the boxes. Yeah, give you a little foot action there. And I think that's it, guys. I'm going to show you how everything turned out after I do a little cleanup, because you guys know I have to clean up before I am completely done. I cannot do any straightening up without a cleanup. So I'm just sweeping because it's such a small confined space. I don't want to bring my vacuum out. So I'm just going to sweep up any, little dust or trash that may have been in the closet. And that is it, you guys. Here is the finished product. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoy these type of videos. I do have a playlist created for my cleanup videos. So until my next video, I hope you guys have an amazing week. Bye.